Welcome. Now we're going to take a look at user tasks in our PrintVis Business Central system. A user task is not tied to production or a sales order, though it could be. Generally, the user tasks are things that a user needs to do and track in our system. It's kind of like using Basecamp or Trello for tracking progress on items that need to be completed in our PrintVis Business Central system. There are multiple ways to get there. The first is from our role center. We do have a card for our user tasks. This is specifically my tasks, anything that has been assigned to me and is not completed at that point. By clicking that, it brings up a filtered list of all the tasks assigned to just me or to just the specific user. To get to the all tasks, you simply search for user tasks and select user tasks. This brings up a list of all the user tasks that have been created in the system. One of the nice things is that this is a list that can be uploaded through the configuration packages, much in the same way as the inventory items or your customer lists can be. For information on that, please reach out to your partner. We have a couple of items to view on this list. The first is our subject, which is the task to be completed, as well as the assigned due date and the priority. The percentage complete, meaning the amount that has been done by the user, and who it's been assigned to. We also have the ability to have groups in this in case that it's assigned to a particular group, such as project managers. It would appear under the user task list for anybody assigned to the user or to the project manager task list or task group. To view this task, we simply hit the three dots and select View. This brings up our view of the user task list. By default, it is not editable, except for the task description. To edit this item, we'd simply hit the pencil at the top of the page, and we can edit any of the things, such as the user task group, the due date, if we'd like to move our due date out, the percentage complete, as well as the start date or priority. We also have the ability to link the task to a specific port or page in our system if it is something that needs to be done in our system. As a user completes the task, they can mark the items to the percentage that are done, and we can see that now we see 20%, 25% complete. To mark that item complete, the user simply highlights the task, mark as complete. And now our complete percentage is 100%. On our user task page, Manage gives us the ability to edit, view, or delete the task. If it's a task that has been completed for a while, we may want to clean up our task list and delete it. Otherwise, the task list could get rather long. To create a new task, we simply click New, type in the task that we need to do. If we were assigning it to a group, we could assign it to a group or a specific user. In this case, we'll assign it to me, as well as the due date. And we can set our start date of today. I'd like to set my priority as high because this is a rather important thing for my user to do, and I will link it to a page. This brings up a full list of the pages for our users, and I can either search for it and once our case comes up, we can select our case list or case management. And now it's tied to our case. If this is a reoccurring task, we can set it as reoccurring, which I will show you in just a moment. So now we can see there's my task for training videos for Steve, and it's a high priority. So I know that I should probably pay more attention to that one. From this page, I can hit Go to Task Item, and it will take me to the case list. To make it a reoccurring item, I can do that. I could assign it to my accounting group and set my recurrence. I want it to recur starting today. Oh, meaning D for day. We'll revert the change, and now I will make it D. There we go. It needs to be 1D for our recurrence. That uses the traditional Business Central abbreviation for time or date. And this will recur every day for 365 days. Apparently, I can only have it at 99. So I will change that to 99 and hit OK. Now it created the task every day to run my daily report for the next 99 days. You may not want to do that for daily tasks. However, tasks that are weekly or monthly, you could use for this daily task so that it shows up and has the due date set for that. Now, because I did not assign that daily task to anyone, it does not show up in my user tasks. The one that does is my training videos for Steve. You'll notice that because we marked that first one completed, it's not in my pending user task list. If you have any additional questions about using the user tasks or would like more information about uploading a user task list into the system, please reach out to your PrintVis partner.